Hello class, I have updated a couple things in Google Classroom. So when you first get into our classroom, I know not all of you are in B3 pre-algebra, but all of my classes are set up the same. The very first page that you enter in is the stream page. This is where I'm going to post a daily agenda list for you to do. Those are like basically what you have to do each day. So that's going to show up here, along with any other announcements that I have. But none of your task lists or attendance questions are going to be on this page. In order to get to them, you need to go to classwork, and you will have to find the appropriate heading. So one of those headings is the daily task list. So that's the thing that we've been seeing every class period, and I do label them by date. So that is something that you will need to click on and check out each day, as well as the attendance question. I've switched this from daily question to attendance question so that you know it's really important to complete every day. I'm also going to be posting that by date. A couple of other headings that are really important to know about are right at the very top of the classwork tab. I posted the Google Meet link so that you can very easily see it every day. And then if I scroll all the way down, there's also this class resources heading where you can find, again, the Google Meet code, online calculators, our online lesson plan, and other math resources that might be helpful for you. I hope you find this video helpful. Reach out if you struggle finding something or if you need help with anything. Have a wonderful day. Remember, you are all rock stars.